And hi, good evening, all of you. And we are discussing the topic, the very interesting topic here, the paths and the path productions and regular expressions. This is the topic which is helpful for the of the system testing methodologies, and we are what is path? The path is using for the from source to destination. We are using some paths. We are using some paths for the regular expressions. Okay, the path we are having the from source to destination. From source to destination, we are using the path, and the path production is the group of sequence characters is nothing but the path production. The regular expression which we can define as some arithmetics. Arithmetic means we are having the plus, addition, subtraction, multiplication. With that arithmetic operations, we can with the help of some laws, arithmetic laws and weights also. We can define the regular expressions. Here, coming to the introduction path, the path expressions are algebraic representation of set of paths in graph, and expressions are converted into algebraic functions. Regular expressions are based on the arithmetic class and weights. The regular expressions are used to examine the structural properties of the flow graph. And the regular expressions are used to examine the structural properties of the flow graphs, number of paths and processing time for data flow anomaly. What is an anomaly? Anomaly is nothing but a sequence of characters, some different type of bugs. And ku we can suppose the ku is the letter, suppose k is the killed and u is the usage. We already discussed it in previous classes of the particular type of characters. This is the introduction path of the path production and expression is nothing but with the help of algebraic functions we can define the regular expressions with the help of arithmetic class and weights. Regular expressions is easy to examine the structural properties of the flow graph, where we can, with the help of expression we can define the graph, we can structure out the particular flow graph also. Okay, and coming to the path production and path expressions. In flow graph, the link had no property other than the connecting nodes. Had no property other than the connecting nodes. In data flow testing, the link weights which denote data flow actions. With the help of link weights, we can denote some data flow actions also. With the help of using the link names as weights, we converted the graphical flow graph into algebraic like expressions denote set of possible paths. Having a finite paths and infinite paths also. By the help of diagram we can easily identify. With the help of graphical expression also we can find out some expressions also. And the link name is denoted by the lowercase italic letters. The link name is denoted by the lowercase italic letters. The help of nothing but small case letters, some bundle letters, italic letters. Name of the paths or path segment that corresponding use links by connecting those link names. The path name of the path and path segments that corresponding use the link by connecting those. Just we are connecting the links, some already defined that links with the help of small case letter names, and just we are linking that names. We can define the path segment also. Okay, we can uh, we can mention some names, particular links, and we are connecting the links. That's it. And if traverse links a comma b comma c and d along the same path, the name of the path segment is abcd. Suppose the path segment is abcd, some expression abcd is the some word. We had some the small letter cases a comma b comma c and d. With that small letters, where suppose a is connecting to b and b is connecting to c and c is connecting to d, some expression we are finding that a b c d is the expression. That is nothing but a path segment, that the flow of these links and the connecting the same path and the name which represents the path segment, this is called the path product. This is called the path product. And coming to the finite diagrams, here we can observe the finite diagrams. The some nodes are connected, 1 3 4 5 and 2. These are the nodes. With the help of links, each link having a different names, 1 to 3 having E, A, and 3 to 4 we're having AB, and 4 to 5 having CD, and 5 to 2 we're having a 5 to 2 nodes having F. These are the nodes which are connected with the help of link names. They have different cases EACF, and coming to EACF 1 to 3 and 3 to 4 and 4 to 4 to 5 and 5 to 2. EACF, just the way the path is from source to destination, from initial state to final state, reaching state, and the initial state to final state, from source to destination, whatever you can take. The reaching destination is also the same representation, but the way is different, the track is different, the way which can approach in a different way. EACF, that means the way the path is going up, some up arrow type, some flow is in going up and coming down. EACF. Next, the path is EBDF. From down onwards the path is going from, that means E, after E, the some bended path 3 to 4, and 4 to 5 also some bended path down path, and 5 to F is some straight line path. You can observe the path from the expression which we can express the from initial state to final state. The data we can pass in from source to destination with the small case letters expressions. The directions are different, but the reaching destination is same. You can also, next coming to the EBCF, also EBCF, it's in a zigzag way. 1 to 3 and 3 to 4 is some down path. Again the path is going to upward. 4 to 5 is an upward path, and 5 to 2 nodes in the straight line path. Again we can EBDF means some same path. You can observe also down path. And in the same way, coming to the down diagram, we having a parabola shape of G link G, and straight lines having A B C D, straight lines having A B C D, each link having mentioned in the same names A B C D, and this middle straight line going the upward, the F, and some side are also we can define the E and J, and HIJ, G is a bended path from J to E. Here also we can observe the some path products ABCD, straight line product, and ABFHEBCD coming to A to B, okay, straight line path. And while going with an F, going in upward and turning left with the help of H link, and again coming down with the help of E link, again going straight in with the help of B link, again going with the same path with the connecting with the C link, and again continuing with the help of D link. In the same way, AB, FIG, EBCD also, and A to B is the straight line, and B to F again going upward, and turning right side, and I link is there, going with the help of G is the parabola shape from left side, some arrow G is supported to the connecting with the E link, again with coming down with the help of E link and touching to the B, and turning right side with the help of B link, and B to C having a C link, and C to D having also D link. In the same way, AB, FI, JD, A to B having some links, next B to F again going upward link, and F to I having right side link, and I to J downside link, and D also the last link. The finite diagrams, the loop which cannot repeat itself, only one time the loop is mentioned. That means the links which cannot repeated again and again, the only one time only it is repeated. The most cases we cannot see, only single time, more than one time we can observe. The most cases the infinite the loop is which cannot repeat in the finite diagrams. And coming to infinite diagrams, here we are having the three nodes 1, 2 and 3. Three nodes are there, and A is the link and C is the link, and B, while observing the B link, the loop which repeat itself, number of times, number of times, A to C, from connecting with A to C, in middle we having a two node, and the second loop ABC, third loop ABBC, next fourth loop ABBBC. Three times we are observing the loop repeat which with itself, the B is repeat itself. And next the fifth case ABBBBC, that means infinite times we can the loop which repeat itself, can the help of arrow we can observe the B, the repeat itself again and again. This is called the infinite loop diagram. In the same way, while coming to the down diagram, four nodes 1 2 3 4, four nodes are there, AB CD. Okay, ABD is the diagram, ABD, these are the three links, and C is also the link. While coming to the 2 to 3, the loop repeat with itself with the help of B and C link. And 2 to 3, the loop which repeat infinite times, the same path productions are representing downside. ABD is the one path product, ABC, BD is the one path production. And coming to the third path production, ABC, BC, BD. Here in the fourth path production, the BC is repeated two times. That means the loop 2 to 3, the B and C link, BC, these two links are repeated within itself because it is called an infinite loop. We can observe next the next path product also, ABC, BC, PC. The BC we can, in the next path product, the BC we can repeat three times, and next we can four times. That is, this is the diagram which represents the infinite diagram. This is called the infinite and finite diagrams. The representation, the help of path product and path product expressions. If you having any queries, any doubts, you can contact me. Thank you, and please subscribe my channel, Jai Sri Ram Education channel. And thank you all of you. Thank you all of you.